Nifty is breaking out. You switch tabs to find your option chart, and the move's already gone. Scalping option means watching three things at once: the index, the call, and the put. But on a normal screen, they are never together. Every tab switch costs you the entry. This is Scalper Pro on Kotak Neo. The index sits in the middle, the call on the left, and the put on the right. All on one screen. And every chart's in sync. Change one and all three follows. Everything where a scalper expects it. Under the call, your buy and sell buttons with the quantity box where you can switch between lots and shares. Same under the put. One click places your order. And since it's a market order, it fills instantly. The margin you'll need shows right next to each button. Your open positions land in the center and your running P&L sits on the top. Want to trade something else? Click on the index in the middle. Every major index is here. Nifty, Sensex, Bank Nifty and more. Pick one and all three charts switch instantly to its underlying and its options. Trade commodities too. Flip on the commodities tab, crude oil, natural gas, gold, silver and more. Now your strikes. On either the call and the put, open the strike list, laid out from out of the money to in the money, with a live premium on each one. Tap the strike you want, add the money or a few strikes deep, your call. Then pick your expiry, this week, next or further out. Right below, both legs set independently in seconds. Don't need all three charts. Up top, right next to the indicator, you'll get call, spot and put toggles. Hide the spot to focus on the two option legs or drop a leg entirely and zoom into one. The layout's yours. So here is a time saver. Set your time frame up once. Open the time frame menu, tap the star next to any time frame and pin it to your quick bar up top. So your 1, 5 and 15 minute are always a single click away. Switch one and all three charts move together. Then set your lot and click. It's a market order, so it fills instantly. Your position shows right in the center and exiting is just as fast. Square off your position in one click. It's the same Kotak Neo account you already use. Same funds, same margin, same brokerage, no extra fees. Just a faster way to scalp. Scalper Pro on the Kotak Neo website. Open it and start trading. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your fellow traders and subscribe to Kotak Neo's YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon and follow us on our social media platforms to stay updated with the latest feature and enhancements we are launching for your trading and investing needs. See you in the next video. Until then, keep trading.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.